Hello dear friends, this is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. Thank you. In this video I want to show and tell you how to add a big clock to your desktop of your iPhone. It looks very cool and beautiful, and you can add this clock absolutely free. How to do it? Watch. First, you unlock your iPhone or iPad. Next, you press the screen. You wait. Next, you need to find and tap the plus sign in the top corner of the screen. You press it. A list of widgets opens up. I already have a clock added, so I'll remove it first. I press the plus sign, and I see the whole list of widgets that I can add to my desktop. You just find that clock in the list. There it is. I click here. You can choose different styles of this clock. A lot of different functions. You pull it out and click Add Widget. You click it, and it's added to your desktop. Now you can move it wherever you want, and click Done. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. See you later. Bye bye.